I need you to get this out of your head. Stop thinking that if you work online, it's going to happen overnight. It's not. Can you make money? Absolutely, you can. However, it's just like a job. You have to work towards those increments, right? You can't have the microwave mentality where you put a couple hours in and boom, I'm a millionaire. No, that's not going to happen. But if you work at it every day and you're consistent and you put your time in, yes, good things will happen. If you want to start a business that's going to grow as you grow, learn and earn. Go right here, right now.